The village gurus who understands the cosmos is the right teacher for you. Village gurus who understand the cosmic principles are going to be the future acharyas, my Gurukul Balasans. Sometimes these fellows come and sit and tell me, Swamiji, what will happen to me? By seeing the kind of a victim mood you are enjoying and seeing the way you are carrying your inner image, I can say one thing very clearly, சும்மாத்தான் போவேன். அதை நான் சொல்ல முடியுமா? No, by the way, you are having the victim mood and the low inner image. Education should be empowering. Understand? Do not break the confidence of a people because they do not have the abilities which is not required for the life. Instead, see, if you are struggling to discover integrity, it is tapas. You are struggling to develop a beautiful handwriting and memorizing something which is not going to be useful for your life. It is ava, not tava. It is torture, suffering. Project this. I have a poor fish, dolphin, dog, elephant, and monkey, bird, all of them are sitting. For a fair selection, everybody has to take the same exam. Please climb that tree. No, this is exactly our so-called modern day education system. Typing and learning to add the beautiful emoticons, emojis in various fonts and express artistically what you feel is the best handwriting. This is the best handwriting test and examination in our Gurukul. Inserting beautiful emojis, emoticons, GIFs along with your homework and expressing as creatively and as visually as possible what you are thinking with various fonts and multiple understandings and footnotes, sub-thought currents being supported by the proper footnotes and understandings is beautiful handwriting. Spelling competition means when you chant the mantras where you need to raise the voice, where you need to lower the voice, your ability, your tongue's ability to just twist and raise and lower and expand and pull those Sanskrit mantras and ability to create the vibration is spelling competition in our Sangha. Your inability to create a language which is consistent with the speaking and writing cannot be my problem, and why should I be tortured learning the stupid spellings which you developed and somebody accepted, which I am not acknowledging or accepting. Speaking and writing should be consistent. That is the way right language has to be developed. That is the way my forefathers developed. That's the way of developing a language. If you have done a mistake, don't force me to do the prayaschitta. I don't want to do prayaschitta for somebody else's mistakes. Understand? Do not torture the kids and make them lose confidence about the things which is not going to be useful for their life. All education should be about how much this is useful for my purpose of existence with all the modern day present living conditions. I think we should acid wash our whole life. Understand? It's not just about Gurukul. All of us are constantly learning. All our learning should be acid washed with this understanding. What is my life and what for I should educate myself?